Now, picking it up again, a firm's deliberate strategy consists of those proactive strategy elements that are planned and realized as planned. And so its emergency strategy is that reactive strategy element that emerges as changing conditions warrant. So the evolving nature of a firm's strategy means that its strategy is a blend of proactive planned initiatives that are meant to secure that competitive edge, and two, reactive responses to unanticipated developments. So, for example, when the iPod was developed, or the iPhone rather, that gave a significant competitive edge to Apple, right? And the response to the unanticipated developments by the other phone companies produce your other models rapidly, right? So in these two elements, the proactive and the reactive, they combine that realized strategy together. And so 3 questions are used then to test the merits of one strategy versus using another strategy. And how do you distinguish a winning strategy from a losing or just average or mediocre strategy? So you can do the fit test, the performance test, or the competitive advantage test. Now the fit test is how well does the strategy fit with the company's situation, right? So to qualify as a winner, a strategy has to be well matched to the industry and the competitive conditions, a company's market opportunities, and other aspects of their external environment have to match the internal capabilities. Now, a performance test to assess winning strategy is the strategy producing good company performance. So this is going to measure reliable indicators of good strategic performance, right? And we want to be cautious that the measures, because they can be influenced by external factors or even manipulated by internal actions like high sales but having low margins. And then finally, the competitive advantage test. This is a strategy that helps the company achieve a sustainable competitive advantage, right? You're looking for that bigger and more durable competitive advantage, and that the strategy can help you build. And that's going to, of course, be more appealing. Now, how well a company performs then is directly attributable to the caliber of its strategy, and the proficiency also in which the strategy is executed. So we can craft and execute the strategy. These become top priorities for management for a couple of reasons. One, high-performing enterprises are nearly always the product of a proactive strategic choice. And even the best strategies are going to result in some shortfalls, right? If they're not executed proficiently. So part 2 would be that good strategy plus good strategy execution, that is the formula that equals good management. Good strategy plus good strategy execution. So when you craft a strategy, that's a core management function. But all the things managers do, nothing is going to impact the ultimate success or failure than how well the team charts the company's direction, develops that competitive strategic moves and business approaches, and pursues what needs to be done day to day. So what we're going to do is throughout the rest of the chapters, and we're going to spotlight it on the foremost question of running a business enterprise. That is, what must managers do? What do they have to do well to make a company a winner in the marketplace? And so the mission here is to provide that overview of what every business student or aspiring manager should know about crafting and executing a strategy. Okay, That was fun. We will move to I will read the other links and the other items, and then move to the discussion. Let's have fun with this. Strategy formation and the competitive advantage. That is really going to tie into week 2. So let's get this down. I love it. Thanks, you guys. See you online or write me.